Yo, a single poster, one QR code, no product, no begging, no talking, just ₹1 a time from random strangers. It's smart, funny, and low-key brilliant. Let's run it. First, generate your UPI QR code. Use Paytm, PhonePay, Google Pay, anything. Print it out clean. Now write this on top, big and bold. Testing a social experiment. If you see this, send ₹1. Just for fun, let's see how far this goes. Make the poster minimal, low-key. That's the trick. Humans love mystery. They see ₹1 and their brain goes, why not? Now, you don't just hang it anywhere. You find crowds, tea stalls, bus stops, college notice boards, metro stations, public toilets, anywhere people stand, wait, or stare. Stick that poster up like it's nothing. Let curiosity do the work. Even if 100 people send just ₹1, you're chillin'. Some people laugh and move on. Some send the rupee. Some take pics and post it online. And when that poster hits Insta or Reels, you wake up to random 5, 10, 52. You didn't ask, you didn't beg, you just played the game.